Yeah, watch out my vybzkartel channel. I could tell me about have a nurse to tell me about I've been watching you for a while and I see that the people then believe in all your lies. Go suck your mother, you did it. You was there? You was there when time I'm making my content, them suck your mother, my friend. That me I tell you, and everybody who a fuck with my channel and all them things they go suck on the mother too. And that's why me I tell you the channel I want cuss channel. So anyone I want to come over here again, me not even ease up my cussing again, my friend. Cause so when time I start ease up and I come size up on my vybzkartel channel, you see me I say, me not ease up no cussing, but suck you all on when I like but you're using profanity and your mother. I should me want to shoot up 100 roll of profanity on your mama front. So you see me I post my video them. But deportation story, thinking about, and you watch I report my video them to YouTube. You feel me? I say I make YouTuber, I take down my video and I say yo, you see me? I say people report my video. You see me? And YouTube end up have to put back a video, my friend. Yeah, boy. YouTube have to put back my video because they realize you're a fucker you're not going with. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, well, follow back to the channel, Spotted on TV. Remember, this channel is all about travel, vlog, music, news, entertainment, update, live stream, story time. Guys, as you see what I go on, they see me and say, come over here so if you can reason and set some things straight with these YouTube, these bad mind people over here on YouTube. Mostly some of the people, some of them with bad mind, some of them is viewers, people that view each channel, or some of them have some fake page. You see me I say, and currently this one is a fake page that come in on my channel. You feel me? So people, I post a video yesterday about the Hyundai dealership that ICE them raid. ICE raid the Hyundai dealership, lock up a whole bunch of Korean. You feel me? I say, one of my dog involved in it. Una tell me say my dog not involved in it. You tell me say you see ICE, you check up ICE and realize no Caribbean people did not get locked up. Oh, you're gonna know that. You're gonna know all of that. You can't know everybody way in that. They say 500 people lock up. You never know if not Jamaican or no Caribbean in there. Who is you if you come talk about you know that no Caribbean and you me come over here for me sorry my blood clot YouTube they delete off a video. So me not get to see every comment. If you can put but you comment on my page I talk about ICE do not like pagans. You feel me? I say and ICE is watching you. Let me tell you something, you me come to fix for your blood clot ICE. Your ICE was suck out on no mother. How? You see me I say? Me fix this straight now. So when you see me I make me deported story them. If you do not like my deported story them, you don't like me deported story them on a lift up off of my channel and go about the business. YouTube can't take my channel, my friend. You see me I say, so if you do not interested in my story, I'll lift off of my channel and go about the business. Because I guess you know, when you see me over here saying I'm own a league, own a role, I make my content them for YouTube where YouTuber pay me and show a bad mind now when I figure out oh I get so much story, oh I make up so much story. Some man talk about me while look thinking about say, oh yeah, I'm gonna block him, go block your mother man. When me check your profile, you never have one subscriber, boy you block. You support my channel thinking about, you put in the super chat, you gifting, you liking, your comment, you all of who we do not like what I am posting over here, can you please exit and block your blood clot self? You see me I say I look thinking about one day about you have been one. And I tell me Messi, I threat me to boy you have been one.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, your mother blood clot or your father, your whole family have been one, my friend. You see me I say that me I try to tell you nobody feel like this account you want bully account and all them blood clot thing they go suck out to the mother. You can report me blood clot video talk about you have been why. You feel like me I do and here you can know them bad mind too, you know. Hear how them say in a message to I have been watching your channel for all these times and I see you making all these stories and these people them believe in your story. Go suck out to the mother you can't be creative. I try you can't be creative, or you can't create content like me can. That's why I tell you when you see me drop my video them, you know, and somehow you see me I saw this some people that cussing at me dark girl over here, you know, who don't allow me if you don't like when me I cuss. I want to hear one more somebody I can tell me and me comment at about you swear too much and you could go suck out your mother too. The whole hour I can tell me about swear and cussing and all them things. They go suck out to the mother man. Left me vybzkartel channel and all me out here fight up with YouTube. I years now me dep on YouTube I do this. So some man feel like YouTube I just so you get up just so I start a YouTube channel and you activate. Some man feel like I so I work we have to put in my friend a 12 blood clot here me out up on YouTube but suck on the mother. You see me I say yeah the ice people you can't tell me nothing freedom of speech batty man and batty girl you can't come tell me nothing. You can't come tell me nothing on the bad mind my blood clot content then I will sell on the boys them on the other YouTuber them where I say no if you can report my blood clot channel with a bad mind self and go suck on the mother too. Grawling in the Sunday morning my friend. You see me I say that me I tell on right now. Jump on my blood clot channel, report, but I've been watching you. I've been watching the channel. With the blood clot you watch my channel for? And then I can tell me, you what chip me off in the people. When I look at so cool there in the comment section I talk about ice do not like pagan. Yo, we not like ice either. Nobody not like blood clot ice. We not like ice either. Me like ice. You know what I say? Yeah, ice man, you know, ice go suck on a mother. I don't feel like ice can't go do me nothing. Ice go suck your mother when me there in Florida. But you can't do me nothing pussy. Go suck out on the mama man. Yeah, if you know people I work for no, I can tell you about one, but you have been one. Go suck out on the mother, nobody can want me. You think America can come dictate nothing for me pussy. America can't come tell me nothing. Go suck out on the mother man. I want to man and I roll on ice and chump on the whole on. I want to know, you can't see me there in my own world, I make my money, I work for my content. I want to come over here, bad mind my blood clot channel, you want to see me I put in work. I put in all these blood clot work for all these blood clot time. Look for when I put in all these blood clot work, yeah. And you see me I say years and months is, when you come over here, I can tell me about, oh, your story, then this and your story. Go suck out to the mother and I can go past some blood clot big YouTube channel and go tell them the fuckery. You can go up on Mr. Bees and tell Mr. Bees when Mr. Bees I be creative with the content them. You can go over there go tell him say, oh your content this and your content. Go suck out to no mother and a pussy. I say I catch me say man, me wish me could have yo. Me say man, me wish you they close to me and tell me all them fucker them and pitting on the blood clot, yeah. You see me, I say, I wish they close to me. I tell me them foolish there. We out here put in work. How long me out here nearly 3 months now me up on YouTube. I put in my work, switch over my content them. Cause apparently remember I am a YouTuber all about travel vlog, music news, entertainment up there, live stream. Story time now. So when we used over here do I talk about news, I create news content. When me over here do vlogging and all them things then I put out the content them for all these blood clot time yeah. All this time I out there put out content. I not see you know. I not see you know my friend. I not see you know. You see me so now that my content I get a look at traction now. Una come over here with a blood clot fucker, but come over here with it man. Come over here with it because this out on a blood. Come over here. You can tell me about and then you know me say bun me see man it's so cool that talk about you have been one. One your mother my friend. That me I try to tell you one your mother. You hear me tell you? Go on your mother. You see me I say, me go on the blood clot mother. You see me how long we over here put in work. You see me I say we put in the work, hard work we put in. I think it's easy for sit down and hear these stories from these people. Where I try to tell me say when the people they sending their story, you did that? You was there when the people them sending their story and I give them story. And I tell me say yo them family get deported, them friend get deported and all these things. You was there? Me have to know if you know did it. More have to know if you was there. You was there? I come tell me fool in this talk about you have been warned and immigration do not like pagan. Who the fuck is immigration? Yeah, immigration. If I work for immigration must say fuck you in your blood clam out. Most that. Immigration must have push up the hood in your blood clot big mouth because you hold big too. So you don't have to go up in your blood clot hole in your nose hole then soon go. Yeah, it's man them. You see me I say you come over here and tell me foolish people. You see me, it burn me people. It burn me man. It burn me guys, it burn me a threat. You see me I say so right now YouTube because when they report the video now guys. They report the video, but they can't do YouTube can't copyright nor nothing to the video, but they can take it down for the investigation. You see me? And when YouTube really go check the investigation, YouTube realize say not the video, my video, and YouTube put back the video, guys. YouTube put back a video, and just because told me ignorant and dark, YouTube put back a video, me delete the video. You see me? I say just because I'm ignorant and yes, so me I tell you, say them bad mind all the people them bad mind over here on YouTube. You see me I say, but they can't stop you know, cause this is not like TikTok. They can't dictate nothing, they can't gatekeep anything over here on YouTube, and that they not like. They cannot gatekeep anything over here on YouTube, and that they not like, but they're fully bad mind over here, my friend. You see me I say? Them fully bad mind over here. I mean, I stop make me content them. You can't stop me from make me content them. You hear me come and tell you no brawling, say you no ice for go suck on no mother. You see me I say? Your ice immigration them for go suck out to no mother. You see me who say thinking more to come send all them comment there and my blood clot. Me say lucky. Me never have a comment because I should have a comment for pin writers and put writers so while me at this you. You see me I say? Yeah. That me not like with someone who come over here watch out my vybzkartel channel and come tell me about have a nerves to tell me about I've been watching you for a while and I see that the people them believe in all your lies. Go suck your mother, you did it. You was there? You was there when time I'm making my content, them suck your mother, my friend. That me I tell you, and everybody who a fuck with my channel and all them things they go suck on the mother too. And that's why me I tell you the channel I want cuss channel. So anyone I want to come over here again, me not even ease up my cussing again, my friend. Cause so when time I start ease up and I come size up on my blood clot channel, you see me I say, me not ease up no cussing go suck you whole on when I like you're using profanity and your mother. I should up 100 roll of profanity on your mama front. You see me I say that I want to come blood clot tell someone right now because I get to understand so I have to dark up my YouTube now. You see me? Yeah man, I have to dark up my YouTube, my friend. Because since you not come over here then a blood clot fuckery. As me tell you now, remember YouTube can't take my channel. You see me my channel in bed. Me don't do all what me do for YouTube already. For them know say my channel and me run my channel. Suck on the mother to man. Feel like me have some of them YouTube where frying and big and kiss ass, but kiss on the mother man. Yeah, nice Sunday morning. Remember people, God is the boss. Love alone for the good viewers them. But anytime they come over here and check me, man. You see me? Yeah. But that me I try to tell them, me put up a good video. This good video yesterday, I have a video go on good. Now no time the video reach blood clot 1500 views. You see me I say, and then blood clot report the blood clot video. I make the YouTube take it down. Me have to come back over. YouTube put back a video still, you know. But through them put back when they put back a video, me done mad already. Me done mad already, people. Me done blood clot mad already. So me just delete back that and make YouTube know say yo, on can't come take off my video too for blood clot people. And look how long gonna see me out there and I'm supposed to know your algorithm and see me out there work a long time, my friend. Is it? John knows that crazy one on part, but that I stress the full part of YouTube people. That I dark side about YouTube. You see me? Sometimes some people come over here and just fuck with the thing and you have to go through the process to sort out back your thing. But once your thing legit man up around, you don't study them, my friend. You see me I say? So big up for yourself in the morning. Love alone. God is the boss. You see me? I can't believe say pussy them do this to me blood, guys. Jaja.